Good day to the panel of evaluators, to the Polytechnic University, Open University professors. Uh, my name is Engineer Guillermo Del Mar, and I'm presenting to you my final oral defense for design and construction by application of building information modeling. The purpose of this defense thesis is the use of BIM, which it's very important in the design and construction. My advisor is Dr. Gino Andres, presented in December 4, 2022. The importance of the introduction of the BIM is the surge cost during the design, tender, and construction cost in due to the variations occurred during the construction, in which the bill of quantities are already properly take off during the design and the tender, and also with the contractor evaluation during submission of their tender cost. And also we already know the capital expense and the operation expense of the projects. And with the use of BIM, building information modeling, it will reduce cost also during the design and the uh, layout of the projects, in which you can change the layout, in which you can save the money of the your design. Also some optimization during the design stage, you can use during checking if you are a client, if you are a consultant, or even if you are preparation of the shop drawings. And during the design stage, the Revit, the Navisworks na Autodesk Dynamo, in which we are using True Cloud, in which you can work in remote, even and you are in the USA, in which my company, we have 20 offices in the US, and we are using True Cloud, and we have also projects in the Philippines, in which we deal also with our design local consultant in the Philippines. So we are using the Autodesk BIM 360, in which you can use in the initiating, planning, design, execution, monitoring of the project. And the development of the questionnaire is the role of BIM and the importance of BIM, in which I merged the research findings and the application of the project body of knowledge, and I developed the questionnaire form, in which during the research uh, I did with the help of fellow engineers, architects in the practice of 2D, which implementation, design review, commissioning, and also BIM during the construction will be used on the progress. As you can see in the results of combined feedback from the survey, in which you can see here in my slides, which you can make grayscale during the design or in the construction stage, that these areas are already done. So you will make agree if these girders will be already installed and walls are already installed, and the other electrical mechanical items in which is still not done. So like for the walls, you already installed and they can claim for the money, and just 2 hours or 3 hours going to the site to check, and then every monthly bill they will submit the contractor to you if you are the client, so you are easily you can verify at site. So this what I did in my projects. So the other items are still not installed, so they cannot claim on the areas which still not done. And also the time, the consigna management, the monitoring of the projects, manage the cost, time, deliverables in the construction industry has a lot of impact during the implementation, in which you already installed the core and shell and the tanks, but some items still not installed. So you you have to push the contractor or whatever necessary actions during the use of during the meeting. So the contractor have no reason that this item is still not installed, and then as per your implementation and as per your the scheduled time, you can check the contractor. So the research of my research, the beam importance has very productive design construction, beam importance, companies using beam, software investment level of details, in which you can see the graph that there's a advantage of using beam to minimize the cost and things that is not necessary in the construction. So conclusion surveys shows that the use of beam software plays a vital role in design, tendering, construction, and data, so save cost and time. And with my company, I introduced these items since before we are only designing, and since we have also supervision and project management projects, and then we just highlight in grayscale which we already completed, as you can see in the beam model. So this is data centers which I am a specialist in the design, and results made applying to the beam correlates to the project management body of knowledge, in which all the design stage I have completed, and it was a successful items which we are using a beam. And I developed also the questionnaires in which the details of the level of detail of the beam. And thank you to the panel of judges for your listening and for your time. Maraming salamat po.